There are two things that I love, crafting and a good roast. So I'm putting them together. I do the crafting, you do the roasting. I'll show you how clever I can be, and you show me your cleverness in the comments. This is Roastcraft!
Roastcraft.
Alright, in this video, I'm going to be making a prop for another music video I'm going to be making in the near future. What I want for this coconut to do is to be able to have green fire coming out of the top. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to take this drum sander and kind of remount this hole, make it a little bit wider so I can get a nice snug fit with the pewter cup inside of it. This is where the green fire is going to come out of. Alright, let's do this. Wish I had a better table, honestly. I'll have to clean that up in a bit. Okay, let's see how. Alright, so it'll fit nicely with enough room for the refractory material to go inside. And we'll do that next. Alright, so next I'm going to be putting some of this furnace cement inside of the coconut. And I'm going to line the edges, and I want it to fill and have the cup sit in with a little bit of refractory material protecting the coconut. Okay, now I have to get this open. Looks gross. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Let's get this set in here now. Okay. And let's clean up these edges a little. Alright, and if I read the directions properly, I should be able to clean off any excess that I don't want in there once it sets. So, hopefully that's the case. Alright, well, I've completed the construction of my prop here, and now we're going to test it out with some green fire. But before we get to filming the green fire, I have to mix the ingredients in. This is methyl alcohol, and you put a cup of that with a tablespoon, this is boric acid, and you stir it together with a plastic spoon that you definitely want to throw away right away. Also, during the mixing process, you want gloves and a respirator mask. So let's get started. So here's my green flaming coconut head, and don't forget to roast me in the comments.